Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix sound problem in your Mivi earbuds, and this will be applied on all Mivi earbuds. So let's start the video friends. So if you are getting these type of problem, firstly you have to charge your earbuds properly. If one sided earbud is not charged and another one is 90%, so you will face one earbud is not working. So you have to both charge equally and a good amount of time. Just charge at least 1 to 2 hours and they will perform very good. And if it is does not performing, just reset your earbuds by long pressing these touch sensors for at least 10 seconds, and you can reset your Bluetooth from your smartphone whichever you want to connect, and this will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.